Every Michigan voter has the right to vote at home using an absentee ballot. Here's how. First, request your ballot by filling out an application. You should receive an application in the mail from the Secretary of State, your local clerk, or both. Follow the instructions and return the application to your local clerk's office by mail or in person. Your local clerk's office must receive your application by 5 p.m. on July 31st to receive your ballot by mail. Don't have an application? You can apply online to receive an absentee ballot. Go to vnp.vote/absentee to apply. Check the box to receive an absentee ballot for the August or November election, or both. Make sure you select the option to receive an absentee ballot application for all future elections, too. Once you receive your absentee ballot in the mail, follow the instructions carefully. Fill it out, place it in the designated envelopes, and sign the outside of the envelope. Put on 2 stamps and mail it back. Or drop it in a secure drop box, or return it in person to your local clerk. Your clerk must receive your ballot by 8 p.m. on Election Day. Have questions about voting? Go to vnp.vote/voting for more information. Michigan voters can vote safely at home during the COVID-19 pandemic. Voting by mail is safe, secure, and convenient.